Even though tomatoes are everywhere, a lot of people don't know how they affect our bodies. We eat them all the time, but we don't always think about the good and bad things about tomatoes. Today, we're with Dr. Willian Li, a health expert, and he's going to tell us about 10 common mistakes people make with tomatoes. He'll also tell us how this fruit can be really good for us. Tomatoes are great in salads and sauces. They're not just tasty, they can do amazing things for our health. They look pretty and taste good. Plus, this red fruit is full of things our bodies need. If you want to eat healthy, add some tomatoes to your meals. Stick around to learn how to enjoy tomatoes and stay healthy. Mistake number 1, eating green tomatoes. Eating green tomatoes can be dangerous for your health. They have something called solanine, which is toxic and can cause digestive problems. Think stomach aches, feeling sick to your stomach, and even headaches. You can find this stuff in other veggies too, like potatoes and eggplants, especially when they're not fully ripe. That's why it's always best to choose nice, ripe tomatoes. They're not only safer, but they taste sweeter and have more good stuff, like lycopene and vitamin C. Those are great for you. Mistake number 2, eating too many tomatoes. Even though they have lots of good stuff for our health, like antioxidants and vitamins, eating too many tomatoes can cause some problems. You see, their natural acidity can give you heartburn and an upset stomach, especially for folks who already have tummy troubles like gastritis. The acid in tomatoes can bother your stomach and the tube that connects your mouth to your stomach, and that's no fun. That's why it's smart to enjoy tomatoes in moderation, so you can enjoy their good stuff, like keeping your heart healthy, without any tummy troubles. Mistake number 3, consuming industrial tomatoes. Industrial tomato sauces often contain high amounts of sodium and preservatives, ingredients that, if consumed in excess, can be bad for your health. A lot of sodium is linked to high blood pressure, water retention, and heart problems. Also, the preservatives used to make these products last longer can have bad effects in the long run. To avoid these risks, it's better to choose fresh tomatoes and, if possible, make your own sauces at home. This way, you can control how much salt you use and choose healthier ingredients, preserving the natural flavor and nutrients of the tomato. Mistake number 4, pesticides on tomatoes. Using pesticides on conventional tomatoes can be dangerous to your health. These chemicals can stay on the surface of the fruit and, over time, cause problems like poisoning and hormone imbalances. When possible, it's best to choose organic tomatoes, grown without the use of harmful pesticides. If that's not possible, it's important to thoroughly wash conventional tomatoes before eating them, using running water and, if possible, a solution of water and vinegar to remove any pesticide residue. Mistake number 5, storing tomatoes in the refrigerator. While this might seem convenient, it can actually change both the taste and texture of the fruit. You see, the cold temperature slows down the ripening process, but it also reduces the intensity of their flavor and can make the tomatoes feel mealy. The best way to store them is at room temperature. Now, if you live in a particularly warm place where tomatoes might ripen too fast, it's okay to put them in the fridge, but only when they are fully ripe. And here's a tip. Take them out of the fridge a few hours before you eat them. They'll regain some of their original texture and flavor. Mistake number 6, overcooking tomatoes. Cooking tomatoes for too long can make them lose a lot of their good stuff, especially vitamin C. Vitamin C is really sensitive to heat. Tomatoes have something called lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant. Cooking actually makes it easier for our bodies to absorb lycopene, but too much heat can destroy other important nutrients like some vitamins. To get the most out of your tomatoes, it's best to cook them for a short amount of time. This will help release the lycopene without destroying all the other good stuff. Cooking on low heat for a short time is a great way to keep the nutrients in your tomatoes. This keeps the vitamins safe and helps your body absorb more lycopene. Mistake number 7, avoid eating tomatoes on an empty stomach, especially if you have a sensitive stomach. The acidity of the fruit can irritate the lining of your stomach, causing discomfort or worsening problems like gastritis or acid reflux. To avoid stomach irritation, it's best to eat tomatoes with other foods or after main meals. This allows for easier digestion and reduces the risk of stomach discomfort. Mistake number 8, throwing away the skin. Many people tend to remove the skin from tomatoes before eating them, but doing so means missing out on important nutrients. The skin is rich in fiber, which helps with healthy digestion and keeps your gut working properly. Plus, it helps you feel fuller for longer. Also, the skin contains a large amount of antioxidants, like lycopene. Lycopene fights harmful things in your body called free radicals and protects your cells from aging too quickly. It can even help prevent diseases like cancer. By discarding the skin, you're giving up a significant portion of the health benefits that tomatoes offer. That's why, whenever possible, it's recommended to eat tomatoes with the skin on. Not only does it enhance the nutritional value of the fruit, but it also boosts your fiber intake, contributing to a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. Mistake number 9, using aluminum cookware to cook tomatoes. The acidity of tomatoes can react with aluminum cookware, releasing particles of this metal into your food, which can be harmful to your health in the long run. Ingesting even small amounts of aluminum has been linked to negative effects on the nervous system and potential health risks. To avoid this problem, it's best to cook tomatoes in pots made from safe materials like stainless steel, glass, or ceramic, which don't react with the acidity of the food. Mistake number 10, always eating tomatoes the same way. Another common mistake is eating tomatoes the same way all the time. For example, only raw or only as a sauce. This can lead to too much acidity, which can upset your stomach and cause discomfort, especially for people with sensitive stomachs. To get the most out of tomatoes without overloading your body, it's a good idea to change up how you eat them. Include different preparations like light cooking, salads, sauces, and soups. This mixes up their effect on your body and gives you a variety of nutrients. Eating raw tomatoes in salads, making them into light sauces, or cooking them gently helps balance the acidity and allows your body to absorb nutrients differently, making for a healthier and more complete diet. Now let's explore some of the amazing benefits of tomatoes. First up, heart health. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that's great for your heart. Lycopene helps lower the risk of heart disease, and studies show that people who eat tomatoes regularly are less likely to have heart attacks. It's like a natural shield for your heart, reducing the chances of problems. Next, fighting aging. Want to keep your skin looking young and radiant? The lycopene and vitamin C in tomatoes are key players in fighting off free radicals, the main culprits behind premature aging. Eating tomatoes regularly can help you maintain healthy, beautiful skin without expensive or complicated treatments. Let's move on to better eye health. Tomatoes are full of lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from light damage and help prevent age-related vision loss. Eating tomatoes is like putting sunscreen on your eyes, shielding them from damage. Now, let's talk about boosting your immune system. Thanks to their high vitamin C content, tomatoes are fantastic for strengthening your immune system. Vitamin C helps your body produce more white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off viruses and bacteria. Eating tomatoes regularly helps your body be ready to tackle infections and illnesses. Next up, improving digestion. The fiber in tomatoes is crucial for a healthy digestive system. It aids digestion and helps prevent issues like constipation. Adding tomatoes to your daily diet is like a natural cleanse for your gut, keeping everything running smoothly. Now, let's discuss weight management. Because they're low in calories and high in fiber and water, tomatoes are a great food for maintaining or losing weight. The fiber helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing those pesky cravings between meals. Including tomatoes in a balanced diet can help you manage your weight in a healthy, natural way. Tomatoes, with their low calorie count and high water content, are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to manage or lose weight. They're filling without being high in calories, making them a great addition to a healthy, balanced diet. They're also great for bone health. Lycopene, that amazing compound in tomatoes, is also beneficial for your bones. It helps reduce the risk of osteoporosis and strengthens bones, especially in older adults, keeping them strong and healthy over time. Your skin benefits too. Besides fighting those visible signs of aging, the antioxidants in tomatoes protect your skin from sun damage. They act like a natural sunscreen, providing an extra layer of defense against the sun's harmful rays. And here's another benefit. Tomatoes have anti-cancer properties. Research has shown that eating tomatoes regularly can lower the risk of developing certain types of cancer, like prostate, lung, and stomach cancer. Thanks to lycopene's antioxidant powers, tomatoes act like a shield for your cells, preventing damage and the growth of cancer cells. Here are some tasty and easy ways to include tomatoes in your daily diet, making them a valuable ally for your health. Raw tomatoes in salads. A simple and refreshing way to enjoy tomatoes is raw in salads. This way, they keep all their nutrients, especially vitamin C, which is lost during cooking. Combined with other veggies, extra virgin olive oil, and natural seasonings, they create a tasty dish full of antioxidants. Homemade sauces. Making tomato sauce at home is a much healthier choice compared to store-bought ones, which are often full of preservatives and sodium. Lightly cooking fresh tomatoes with garlic, onion, and olive oil preserves nutrients and makes it easier for your body to absorb lycopene. The result is a healthy sauce, free of additives, with an authentic taste. Tomatoes in sandwiches. For those who want convenience in their everyday life, tomatoes are a perfect addition to sandwiches and wraps. Besides adding freshness and flavor, they provide important nutrients like fiber and antioxidants. A slice of tomato on whole wheat bread, along with other healthy ingredients, is an easy and quick way to make your meals more nutritious. Roasted tomatoes. If you prefer warm dishes, roasted tomatoes are a great option. When lightly roasted, their flavor intensifies, becoming sweet and irresistible. They're perfect with meat, pasta, or as part of a vegetarian meal. Roasting them helps retain most of the nutrients, while adding herbs like basil or oregano further enhances the flavor, turning the dish into a real explosion of taste. Vary your tomatoes. While many people always go for the classic tomato, there are many varieties that offer different flavors and textures. Cherry tomatoes, Italian tomatoes, and vine tomatoes, for example, have unique characteristics that can enrich your dishes. Switching between different types of tomatoes allows you to vary the taste and nutritional value, making your meals more interesting and creative. Adding these 5 simple tips to your routine will help you improve your health by making the most of the taste and versatility that tomatoes offer. So what do you think? If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.